for 8.2 in the new SEED standards. So what I've done is I've cut a whole bunch of 50 centimeter in length 1-inch PVC pipe, and I've got a large supply of marbles, and you can have students do an investigation of these principles for 8.2.1 all the way to 8.2.3 and vary their investigation in different ways. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that they could test. So this particular investigation would be how far the marble, given so much potential energy, could move an object. So here the surface area is 1 unit. The mass is the same. Here the surface area is 2 units. The mass is the same. And then here the surface area would be 4 units, but the mass being the same. And then here it would be double that, so 8 units. And then the students could set up their investigation, collect data for all these, and see how surface area affects the transfer of kinetic energy. Thanks. Okay, this one has to deal with speed. So the students can investigate speed of potential energy transferring to kinetic and that kinetic speed. So they can vary the height of their ramp. So, and once the marble exits the ramp, they can record how the time it took for it to come to a standstill and calculate the speed that way. And so this just gives you a demonstration of it. So they would measure from here to here and divide by that amount of time. Of course, if you use a slicker surface, that marble would go much further, and that could be something the students investigate as well. You can also change the ramp height by adding more Legos, and then the students could compare how more potential energy gets converted and see the outcomes with speed. So there you'd see that it would go further, and then they'd have to calculate that speed to find out how that varied. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is just a little bit more on what you can do with standard 8.2. So more variations on the PVC ramps and potential and kinetic energy and speed and those sort of labs. So for my kits for our teachers, we have the 50 centimeter length of 1-inch pipe, a 25 centimeter length of 1-inch pipe, and then a 12.5 centimeter length of 1-inch pipe. So students can vary the degree or the length of the ramp. So you can see the angle increases with each one to where it's just shooting out straight. You can also change the size of the marble or the substance of the marble. So this is just a bead from a necklace. So marbles of different sizes would work. And that is another variable your students could change in an investigation. Thanks.